Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting home theater setup to review. The Technical Pro 4-channel 1600 watts Bluetooth home theater receiver system. With 4 pairs of 5.25 ceiling wall mount two-way mid-bass woofer speakers. This powerful audio system promises to elevate your home theater experience to a whole new level. Let's dive into the details and see what it has to offer. To start, let's look at the key features of this Technical Pro home theater system. It boasts a peak power of 1,600 watts and 120 WRMS for high-quality audio. Equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, it works seamlessly with your smartphone, tablet, iPad, iPhone, or laptop, providing a hassle-free wireless connection. The receiver has intuitive EQ controls, including rotary knobs for equalization and volume adjustments, as well as blue LED illuminated buttons for visibility. The speaker setup includes 4 pairs of 5.25 inches in ceiling wall mount two-way mid-bass woofer speakers, providing flexibility for installation. These speakers feature a flush mount design for easy in-wall or in-ceiling integration. They are designed for both powerful audio experiences and subtle background music, thanks to their 1-inch high-temperature voice coil. Now, let's discuss the benefits and uses of this home theater system. With its 1,600 watts of power, it's perfect for karaoke nights and creating an immersive home theater acoustic surround sound experience. The Bluetooth connectivity allows you to easily pair your devices, so you can stream your favorite music or movies wirelessly. Setting up this system is a breeze. The flush mount design of the speakers ensures a clean and seamless integration into your room. The convenient speaker terminals make wiring hassle-free, whether you choose to install them in wall or in ceiling. If you're considering other options, we've compared this Technical Pro system with some similar products on the market. For example, it competes with the Acoustic Audio by Goldwood Carbon Monosulfide IC83 3-way in-ceiling home theater speaker system and the Herdeo 6.5 inches Bluetooth in-wall and ceiling speakers. While the Technical Pro system offers impressive power, the choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. Unfortunately, we couldn't find customer reviews for this product yet, as it's relatively new on the market. However, it's essential to keep an eye on user feedback to get a better understanding of its real-world performance. In conclusion, the Technical Pro 4-channel 1600 watts Bluetooth home theater receiver system. With 4 pairs of 5.25 ceiling wall mount two-way mid-bass woofer speakers seems to be a promising addition to any home theater setup. With its powerful audio capabilities and convenient Bluetooth connectivity, it has the potential to transform your entertainment experience. Keep an eye out for user reviews to see how it performs in real-world scenarios. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. If you've had experience with this product, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.